case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of Texas ruled in the 1990 case of Williams v. Glash, asserting that personal injury releases could be subject to the law of mutual mistake. This decision potentially paves the way for injury victims to pursue a lawsuit even after signing a release, provided they were not aware of the injury at the time of signing. The controversy started when Margaret Williams, a passenger in a car accident, reached out to the at-fault driver's insurer, State Farm, to appraise her property damage claims. The insurer provided a check to cover the cost of the vehicle repairs. However, a release clause attached to the check surreptitiously absolved the company from any forthcoming personal injury claims, an information unknown and unexplained to Williams or her husband at the time of signing the settlement. Following the accident, Williams was diagnosed with temporomandibular joint disorder, TMJ, which resulted from the very accident. Yet the lower court ruled against Williams, asserting her signed release debarred her from seeking claims for this injury. The case was then escalated to the Supreme Court of Texas, where the original ruling was overthrown on the basis of the mutual mistake principle. The court held that a party to a contract may argue for invalidation if it becomes evident that a mutual misconception about a material fact existed at the time of signing. The Supreme Court further clarified that their role is not to interpret the language contained in the release, but to determine whether the release itself is valid. Placing high regard to the freedoms of contract and the finality of agreements, the court insisted that in certain limited circumstances, such as mutual mistake, a party could raise a factual issue necessitating judicial resolution. This landmark ruling overturned the lower court's verdict, setting a new precedent. The resolution of Williams v. Glash held that mutual mistake principles could underpin personal injury releases, creating a toehold for Williams and potentially future litigants to plea for the invalidation of a release under certain circumstances. The case has now been remanded back to the trial court for re-evaluation under the Supreme Court's guidance, ensuring further justice is pursued in this intricate case of accidents, insurance, and unforeseen injuries.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.